What's up? It's Don't Baby here. And I'm Maya Taven. And this is Ratchet Appreciation Week 3. Yeah, we haven't been on here in a long time, and we know
we got some haters, and some fans.
Yeah, we got a lot of haters and fans. And don't get mad, we doing Mom's Behavior this week, and this is not to offend Mom's Behavior or nothing because we love Mom's Behavior. We are so mindless. Team mindless.
Rock is mine.
Ray is mine.
But, November 2nd, 2011. Save the date. We've been together that long.
Shut up. Me and Ray is 1-6-12 all day. But anyway, we about to do Mom's Behavior. And first, let them introduce themselves.
What's up? It's Prodigy. What's up? It's your boy Ray. What's up? It's Rock Raw. Hey guys, Princeton. And we are Mindless Behavior.
Okay. First nominee is... Okay. First nominee is Prodigy. Let's give him a few words.
What's up? It's Prodigy. I'm just so happy I got this award. I'm just so geeked up. Yeah. Got my hair cut today. Looking pretty spiffy, ain't it?
It's all about that spiffy lifestyle.
It's all about that spiffy lifestyle. Okay. There we go.
Okay.
What's up?
Okay, this is nominee number 2.
Ray.
Ray, my baby.
What's up? It's your boy Ray, and I'm just so geeked up about this award. I'm just so happy I got this award. Now, you see I'm looking all spiffy today. Got this brand new dress I bought, you know. Too geeked up. Okay. I'm going to let Rock Raw and Princeton talk now. Deuces. Okay, third nominee is Rock Royal. Okay. What's up? It's Rock Raw, and I'm just so happy I got this award. And you know, I was voted third, cause you know I'm super duper ooper cooper mooper fooper ratchet. Okay. I'm super ratchet, and you already know that's how we do. Yeah.
Positive with it.
Okay. Third nominee is Princeton.
You mean fourth?
Yeah, fourth. Our last nominee. Go to okay. Sit up straight. Okay. What's up? It's Princeton. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy I got this award. You know, I'm just so happy I got this award. Spread the peace. Do it all day. And you know, yeah. Bye. That was Ratchet Appreciation Week, but we about to redo it because that was a hot mess.